Take out a whiteboard, fix it on the table. Knead a piece of pink clay into a ball, press it with your palm, and stick it on the whiteboard. Then knead the pink clay into a long strip, stick it on the upper right of the ball. Cut it off with a tool. And make the crab's arm on the other side in the same way. Cut a triangle in the middle of the oval pink clay piece to make crab tongs, and do the same on the other side. Stick 2 pink balls above the big ball. Press out the eye socket in the center of the ball with a tool. Knead the ball with white clay and put it on the eye socket, and knead the black clay into different shapes to make eyes. Rub the black clay into an arc and stick it in the center of the ball to make a mouth. Stick 2 dark pink discs on both sides of your mouth to make blush. Then, we knead the blue, green, and orange clay into water drops, and stick them symmetrically on both sides of our bodies, and the little crab is finished. Come and try it.